In today's episode, I'm going to show you why isn't my Instagram updating. Now the first thing you must check only is the Instagram is not updating, or is it with or any other app on your phone. So firstly try to check if other apps on your phone updates or not. If the update does not happen on all of the other apps on your phone, then the problem could be with your Play Store. So to fix that, you need to tap and hold the app of Play Store and tap on app info. Now on the settings of your Play Store, all you need to do is tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and again tap on clear data and tap on OK. Now what this will do is it will remove all of the unwanted and temporary files which have been piled up. Other than that, it will also log you out of your Play Store. Now other than that, make sure that your internet connection is strong. Sometimes these kind of problems occurs simply because your internet connection is weak and the app would not be able to download. If you're using your data to update your Instagram app, then make sure that your SIM card is turned on. Now the last thing that you can try out is simply try to reboot your phone. This could be a simple solution, but sometimes simple solutions like this can also work in problems similar to this. So that's gonna be all for today's video. If this video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.